My video tutorial is dedicated to help you get rid of the ransomware called Lexus. It has nothing to do with this well-known car brand. This ransomware may damage the files that you store on the hard drives, including pictures, music, text documents, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. So you can clearly see that before the ransomware's attack, we are able to open our files without troubles, including all that documentation I mentioned. Sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this Lexus ransomware may be very easily injected into their system. Very soon, users just realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware called Lexus encrypts files and damages the files. Essentially, the ransomware is called like that because it appends this Lexus extension to the file names, and as a consequence, it is just impossible to use the files. The ransomware then reveals a special ransom note where it indicates that the ransom supposedly needs to be paid for file restoration, but I urge you not to waste your money and not to pay the ransom. Remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner. Go to the website combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and then start researching this system. Click on Start Scan button. As you see, the software is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. After you click on the Start Scan button, the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, and then it will start researching and investigating your computer. Do not cancel the update procedure. This is definitely essential for proper detection and elimination of this ransomware or any other types of threats. So after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but are recommended to consider upgrading to premium. This way, your data would always be protected from further ransomware attacks. Combo Cleaner doesn't decrypt files, but it helps to remove the ransomware and to protect your data from further ransomware attacks. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.